Really very happy to have Venkaiah Naidu, the Vice President of India. He sent us a message for all of us, and it just shows how important this issue is. Sir.
Sri Amitabh Bachchan ji, Sri Pranay Roy ji, team of Dettol and NDTV, viewers of NDTV who are watching this program across the country and outside, distinguished dignitaries and other participants in this program. My dear sisters and brothers, I am happy to know that the NDTV has launched another edition of its annual event, Banega Swasth India. This is a very timely and important initiative that seeks to improve public awareness on the crucial issues of health and wellness. I compliment NDTV for this effort. COVID-19 pandemic has taught us many important lessons. It has also made a awareness as a challenge. Every one of us have now become aware, from individuals to governments, that has to focus greater attention on health. Before moving further, I would like to convey my deepest appreciation to all the doctors and other frontline healthcare workers for the extraordinary resilience, courage, and spirit of sacrifice displayed by them in fighting the pandemic and serving the people. My compliments also to all the other COVID warriors, from sanitation staff to media, police personnel, for their dedicated service, and particularly even the farmers for their service and commitment during this pandemic. My dear friends, as you are all aware, India is a young nation with 65% of the population below the age of 35 years, and 50% is below the age of 25 years. It is therefore imperative for our youngsters to adopt a healthy and disciplined lifestyle. Underline disciplined lifestyle. They must undertake regular physical activity like yoga or cycling, walking, avoid sedentary habits, unhealthy diet like junk food, and consumption of substances that are harmful to health. Youngsters must also take special care not to get addicted to digital devices. While India has made significant gains in health indices since independence, the centre and states must work in a team India spirit with renewed vigour to further improve the health indices of the country, be it infrastructure, availability of doctors, nurses, and modern healthcare facilities. One is increasing public spending on health. There is also need to augment the health infrastructure at various levels through a public-private partnership. The stark disparities in health infrastructure between urban and rural areas need to be bridged. While bringing tertiary care to the rural areas, it is imperative that we strengthen our primary health care systems for better health outcomes. That's why I always suggest to the young doctors to serve some time in the rural areas. And I suggested to the government to make it mandatory before the first promotion that one should work in rural area for some time, because even today 60% of our population are living in the rural areas. It would be pertinent to point out that the government's flagship programs like Ayushman Bharat is a laudable initiative which has brought health assurance to millions of poor families. Going forward, we must focus on curbing the disturbing trend of increasing non-communicable disease in India, which is now account for around 60% of the deaths in the country. We need to create greater awareness among people on lifestyle diseases. I urge health experts and cultural icons to take the lead in this regard to educate the people. to make them aware of the dangers of this. The pandemic has also reminded us that our health is intricately connected to health of the planet. Man must avoid interfering with the natural ecosystem for his selfish interests. One health, one planet, one future is the way forward. That's why I always say, nature, culture, together for better future. Friends, finally I suggest that we move past the notion of healthcare as the absence of illness and take a holistic view of health that includes physical, mental and spiritual well-being and empowers an individual to reach his or her full potential. This is the aim of Swastha Bharat, which will ultimately lead to Sampanna Bharat or a prosperous Bharat. Healthy India can become a wealthy India, not vice versa. So my best wishes to the audience of the NDTV and panelists on this program. I also would like to compliment Sri Amitabh Bachchan ji for his continued interest and participation in programs in creating awareness among the people. Let all of us strive together with a greater determination for a Swasth and Sampanna Bharat. Namaskar, Jai Hind.